Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube, where video notifications of new doll installations are published weekly. This week's installations include Tyra by Kaye Wiggs for Masterpiece Galleries, a 24-inch limited edition porcelain baby. Anaya, a tan complexioned DeeBeeGee by Kaye Wiggs, made in a limited edition of only 20 dolls, courtesy of Cassandra, aka CS Doll Bliss, is the third installation this week. Let's Play Dolls Anna, designed by Alice Darling for Madame Alexander, from the Read Me a Story doll series, is the third installation this week. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated. So please let us know in a comment to this video which doll is your favorite for this week. Thanks.